Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You've prepped your skin, so start with primer to create an even surface. Apply 1-2 pea-sized amounts focusing on T-zone or dry patches. Primer smooths texture and helps foundation last. Use a small amount and blend outward with fingertips or a damp sponge. This avoids product buildup. Once done, let primer settle for a minute so the foundation adheres correctly. Make sure to match primer type to your skin, hydrating for dry, mattifying for oily, to control finish and wear time. Start with a small amount of foundation. You can always add more. Place 3 dots, forehead, cheeks, chin, then blend outward using a damp sponge or dense brush in light bouncing motions. This builds coverage without streaks and maintains skin texture. If you need more coverage, layer in thin coats rather than one heavy application. That prevents cakiness and keeps a natural finish. Make sure to blend into hairline and jaw to avoid contrast lines, and check in natural light when possible. Now target what needs extra coverage: under-eye hollows, redness, or blemishes. Use a concealer 1 shade lighter under the eyes in a triangle shape to brighten, and a skin tone matched directly on spots. Apply sparingly and blend edges gently with a sponge. This prevents creasing and preserves texture. Once blended, set with translucent powder. Use about 1/2 to 1 teaspoon pressed into the skin to lock everything in. If creasing or separation appears, lightly mist with setting spray and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.